Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm just going to show you unboxing of this iPad 11th generation A16 chip. It has A16 chip and 128 GB Wi-Fi model. So I just got it from Best Buy. Right now Best Buy has a sale and I got it for $299. The actual price is $349 from Apple website. So I just got it for $299. Best Buy has a sale and they're giving some extra things. So this is 128 GB iPad 11th generation A16 chip. So this is the one and it is 11-inch. Most of the information you can get it from the Apple website. So I just wanted to show you unboxing of this product and what are the things comes inside this box. So as you open, this is the iPad that is coming. So the design, this is silver colored and design is nice. And let me show you what else comes inside the box. So this is the Apple sticker, I believe. So they are giving the USB charger, the USB cable, both are USB-C, and a USB-C charger. So it is coming with USB-C charger and USB-C cable. Is there anything else? Nothing else inside that. And let's see what comes here. This is the instruction manual. I would suggest you go through the instruction manual. And this one, they used to give one Apple sticker, but no more. I think they are giving anything else. So nothing else. Let's open this one. Open the iPad. Is the iPad. Oh my gosh, it's really beautiful. See, it looks like a mirror. It's really beautiful. The most beautiful iPad ever. So I'm gonna do the setup, and it's the most beautiful iPad. And again, it is 128 GB Wi-Fi, and it has three things: one power button and two sound volume up and down button. That's it. And use the USB-C charger. So that's all. That is all coming in this package. Let me turn it on and I'm gonna do the setup. And I also have this Apple Pencil. This one I will show you this Apple Pencil unboxing and installation with this iPad. So let's see what the iPad is saying. It is saying hola, hello, and let me do the setup because I have to do all this. Setup without another device. So I'm gonna now connect to Wi-Fi. So I joined the Wi-Fi network. Now it is connecting and it may take few minutes to activate your iPad. It says, let's see. And it's already connected. Continue. I'm not sure. Whom should I? It will be a child connecting to a family. Connect now. Connect now. Waiting parent and guardian. If your parent or guardian of the if you are the parent or guardian of this child using this iPad, you can use your own phone to set up. Hold and unlock your device running. So I have to use my phone close to this one. So you can see as soon as I unlock, it says child setup. So this is good, and it is asking me to use this code. So I use this code and it is connecting to my device. Not directly create the child account while setting up the iPad. So that is the thing happened with me. So I'm not sure if you'll see the problem or not, but when I was trying while setting up the iPad, I selected my child, and I from my phone I was trying to create a child account, but it doesn't do that. It was showing the option, but the option was disabled. So I had to first create the set up the iPad without any account, any existing account, and then added it as a child, and that time it allowed me to create a child account. So that's the thing happened with me. So Siri settings that I will do later. Oops, I will do later. Get started. So the iPad is installed and it is ready to use, friends. Everything is there. So most of the apps and everything is there. So then now the thing is I'm gonna use this pencil. So I'll be adding this pencil, but in between I'm checking if there is any software update. It will update tonight. Let me put update tonight and enter the password. So it will update tonight. So the iPad is ready. Now let's open the pencil and then we'll connect the pencil. So this is the Apple Pencil USB-C, and this is how it comes. And I'll show you how it connects to this iPad 11th generation, that 16 one. So this Apple Pencil I got it from Best Buy for $70, $69.99. Current price is 79.99, but they have $10 off, so I just got it for this new iPad that I just bought. So here's the pencil. Let's open the box and tell you what comes inside the box. So yeah, Rodala, let's open it. So my daughter, she's actually opening it, and this is the box, and let's see what this is.
It's not a regular pencil though.
Yeah, so this is something, I don't know what is inside that. Let's check. So this is the pencil that comes, and there is nothing else in there. So other than this, let's see what is inside this. So that has the instruction that I would always suggest you to go through it, and I will also go through it. So there's nothing else in this box, and it is showing you can charge it here somehow. So let me open this pencil. So let's open this pencil. My daughter is super excited. So this pencil, this is the pencil, and let me see. So you can charge here. So this is the USB charger that you can use to charge, and this is the pencil, and let's see how it gonna connect. So to connect this one, what we have to do is we have to connect this iPad with this one. Before we do that, let me open this iPad, and so I just connected it. Apple Pencil, see, you can see the Apple Pencil it detected. Welcome to Apple Pencil. So continue and write, try write few words. Hello, hello, how are you? How are you? So next continue. So I think now it is connected. If I open this, you can see it is opening, and if I don't need this, well, only while using the app, and let's say FaceTime. I can do FaceTime. Anything is possible. Maps. So it is not now. So everything is working fine. So the Apple Pencil is connected, and one good thing is, let me disconnect this one. So it should now work by itself. So it is working. Apple Note, I'm not using all of them. So, and everything is there. So this is good. And the Apple Pencil, you can just have it like this. You can see. I'm not sure how to put. Okay. So the Apple Pencil can fit like that. So it can fit like that. So that's all about this video, friend. Let me know how do you like this video. If you have any thought or any suggestion, please put it in the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Bye.